Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to find your followers on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, locate the settings and privacy option. You can find this by clicking on the menu icon or drop-down near your profile picture. From there, select Activity Log. This section is where all your account activities are organized. Now, within the Activity Log, look for the Connections section. Under this category, you'll see an option labeled Followers. Click on it. Finally, select People who followed you. This will display a list of users who follow your profile. If no followers appear, it simply means no one has followed you yet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find your followers on Facebook using a PC. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.